A square matrix A is equals to Aij of order n cross n is said to be symmetric if A transpose equals to A or Aij equals to Aji. That means matrix must be a square matrix of order n cross n. So there must be a square matrix for matrix to be a symmetric matrix. Example first, A is equals to -3, 4, 4 and 1. So A11 is equals to -3, A12 and A21 is equals to 4 and A22 is equals to 1. So here we can see that A12 is equals to A21 is equals to 4, that are equal. So the condition for matrix to be symmetric is that Aij equals to Aji. So here A12 is equals to A21 is equals to 4. So matrix is symmetric matrix. In example 2, A is equals to 0, 7, -3, 7, 2, 1, -3, 1, 4. So A11 is equals to 0, A12 is equals to A21 is equals to 7, A13 is equals to A31 is equals to -3, A23 is equals to A32 is equals to 1, A22 is equals to 2, A33 is equals to 4. So matrix to be symmetric, Aij equals to be Aji. So here A12 is equals to A21, A13 is equals to A31, A23 is equals to 32. So matrix is symmetric here. So example 2 is symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is equals to Aij of order n cross n is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose equals to -A or Aij equals to -Aji. For diagonal entry, we can write I is equals to j. That means Ai is equals to -Ai for skew symmetric matrix. That means 2Ai is equals to 0. Or we can write Ai is equals to Aii is equals to 0 for skew symmetric matrix. That means what we can say something interesting about that. That means all diagonal entries should be 0 for skew symmetric matrix. So we can say that A is skew symmetric matrix if Aij equals to 0 for I equals to j and Aij equals to -Aji for I not equals to j. That means diagonal entry must be 0 for a skew symmetric matrix. As we know, I is equals to j means diagonal entries. So for skew symmetric matrix, Aij equals to 0. That means diagonal must be 0 for skew symmetric matrix. In the example first, A is equals to 0, 1, -1, 0. A11 is equals to A22 is equals to 0 and A12 is equals to -A21 is equals to 1. So diagonal entries are 0 and A12 is equals to minus time A21. So first example is skew symmetric matrix. And in the second example, A is given as 0, 3, -6, -3, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0. So here A11 is equals to A22 is equals to A33 is equals to 0. That means all the diagonal entry are 0, which is the necessary condition for skew symmetric matrix. And A11 is equals to minus time A21 is equals to 3. A13 is equals to minus time A31 is equals to -6 and A23 is equals to minus time A32 is equals to 0. So example second is also a skew symmetric matrix.